Many Nigerians have been cashing out from this app and making a lot of money from this app, yet many seem to also not be aware of this app. And the app I'm talking about today is the Poppo Live app. Hello, welcome to Independently Tessa. If you're a new viewer, you're welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. So today I'm going to be talking about the Poppo Live app. The Poppo Live app is an app that was created in 2022 and it has been existing for years, so we all know it's not going to be going anywhere. So what is the Poppo Live streaming app? The Poppo Live streaming app is an app where you basically just be a host, a virtual streaming host. You stream on Poppo Live app, you chat, you connect with people, you make friends. Basically, it creates a way of life online where you socialize, you showcase your talent, meet people, you network, and then you make money from doing all those. So how do you earn on the Poppo Live app? How you earn on the Poppo Live app is one, you stream. Live streaming is like a daily tax on Poppo Live app. You live stream for 1 hour every day on Poppo Live app, and then a certain salary or reward is given to you by the app every day and every hour you live stream. As a newcomer, there's a new user tax that Poppo Live usually gives to you, which is you stream 2 hours every day. The first hour you stream 5,000 is given to you. The second hour you stream another 5,000 is given to you. Then there's another tax where you sit in party rooms on the gold seat. As a lady, you sit in party rooms in the gold seat, and then you earn 800 points every hour you sit in party rooms doing your tax. So you earn from your live streaming every hour, and then you earn from sitting in party rooms on the gold seat every hour. This is a form of salary the Poppo app pays you every single day. This is consistent. So it's not like an app where if you don't work hard, you don't get anything. With the Poppo Live app, you just need to sit in party rooms for 1 hour, 2 hours, or live stream for 1 hour, and then you get given your daily reward. And if you're able to accumulate this daily reward slowly without even doing anything on Poppo Live app, in a month's time, this is at least guaranteed to get you something from the Poppo Live app, even if you don't do anything else. Another way to earn on the Poppo Live app is bonuses from joining an agency. You can stream, you can host on Poppo Live app even without joining an agency. But one of the good things about joining an agency is you get a community and you get bonuses from the agency you joined. The agency you join can give you bonuses, can gift you. That is another advantage of joining agencies on the Poppo Live app. Another way to earn on the Poppo Live app is gifts from the live stream. If you're charismatic and quite good at live streaming and have something of value to offer to people during your live stream, then for sure you're guaranteed to get viewers who are willing to gift you during your live stream. There's a tab where you can make a wish of what to gift you when you're live streaming, and then if you're good and if you're offering something of value, they may decide to go to your wish tab and then gift you from one of your gifts that you've made a wish on. That is another way to earn on the Poppo Live streaming app. And another way to earn on the Poppo Live streaming app is through special event competition. So Poppo organizes special events for hosts on Poppo Live streaming app. If you compete in these events and you win, Poppo gives you bonuses for winning these competitions. That is a major way to earn on Poppo Live streaming app. Another way to earn on Poppo Live streaming app is through host referral. When you refer people coming through your link, people coming through your code, Poppo is willing to give you up to $22 just to refer people to the Poppo Live streaming app. That's a big amount of money. So you can even just focus on being a recruiter for agencies in Poppo Live streaming app. When you recruit people into Poppo Live streaming app, you can refer them to your agency or you can refer them to other agencies. That does not stop you from getting your money for referrals. You can get your money for referrals and then they can also join other agencies. That is a different thing in Poppo app. You get your money, you get your bonus for referring people, and then you also refer them to another agency, which can also be willing to give you bonuses for referring people to their agency. So that is a way to earn on Poppo Live streaming app. Stick with me to the end of this video and I'll give you so many tips and warnings of how you can actually maximize your earning in Poppo Live, because Poppo Live streaming app is not for the weak or for the faint of heart. You have to be ready to buckle down and work hard in the Poppo Live streaming app. You have to be very careful of your every step, or you might get banned in the Poppo Live streaming app and your account will get closed down. So stick with me to the end of this video and I'll give you so many tips on how to earn. Warnings on things you should be careful of when you're on the Poppo Live streaming app so your accounts don't get banned. You can register an account on the Poppo Live streaming app and then you can start streaming 1 hour, sitting in party rooms 1 hour every day. But we all know that earning method can be very slow. It can be slow for you to accumulate points to withdraw, and it can be very frustrating when you see you're not earning as much as other people cashing out and then your own is very slow. So there are ways you can actually earn very fast on the Poppo Live streaming app, and one of those ways is to go live consistently on the, and then as you're going live consistently, many audiences, many viewers are finding you, finding your live stream, and then you're putting your live stream out there for the Poppo world to see. So you're putting yourself out there. So never ever fail to go live consistently, because even the point you're getting from live streaming and the point you're getting sitting in party rooms is slowly accumulating towards your cash out point. So it is something. Another way to earn fast on the Poppo Live streaming app is to give a talent of value. Many people who are on the Poppo Live streaming app, because they are paid salaries or bonuses for live streaming every day or for sitting in party rooms every day without doing anything, they just focus on that and depend on that to earn on Poppo Live streaming app. But if you as a host want to earn fast on Poppo Live Streaming app, my advice for you is to get a talent. Pick a niche. It can be comedy, it can be dancing, it can be singing, it can be storytelling, it can be reading. Just pick a niche, something you know you are absolutely good at. It can even be playing instrument, maybe pianos, violin. If you know you're good at that, then decide this is what you're going to be doing during your live stream hour on Poppo Live app. When you've picked your talent or pick what you want to be doing on your Poppo Live app, the next is to do it consistently. The first day you start, you'll probably not get any viewer if you're already in an agency. If you're not in an agency, people are going to be coming to your live stream just to recruit you into their agency. But if you're already in an agency when you do your live stream, then you're probably not going to get any viewers, or you might get hidden viewers who come in secret to observe what you're doing. You will not see them in the live streaming count, but they're going to be there observing what you're doing. So it is important that if you're going to pick a talent and stay consistent to that talent. If you're going to be doing comedy, just consistently do your comedy act. After your hour is up, you're done. The next day you continue. If you're going to be choosing music, then sing consistently every single day during your live stream. And then the people who've come into your live stream, even secretly or not, will see what you're doing. And then they'll keep coming back to your live stream if they love what you're doing. The next way to earn fast on the Poppo live stream is gift exchange. When you join the Poppo Live app, the coin given to you is not much. When you sit in party rooms doing your party tasks, there's a treasure box up on the party room. You click that treasure box and you get 40 coin per click, up to 10 times, which is 400 coins. Of course, the cheapest gift on the Poppo Live app is 500 coins. That is not enough for you to exchange. So what people do on the Poppo Live app is to buy coin. There's cheap coin of 1.5, there's coin of 1.9, depending on how much you can afford. You buy coin, then you exchange with people in party rooms. And when you exchange in people with party rooms, you can use gambling gifts. They can return with equal value as their price. They can return with more value than the coin you paid for them. So that is one of the fastest way for you to earn in Poppo Live Stream. You do gift exchange with people in party rooms. So how do you register for the Poppo Live Streaming app? Registering on the Poppo Live Stream app is one of the most complicated registration process I have ever seen. If you want someone to refer you to the Poppo Live Streaming app, you cannot download the Poppo Live Streaming app on your phone while you wait. What you have to do is you wait for the person to give you a referral link that was automatically generated for you. And then within 1 minute, you have to download the Poppo Live Streaming app from that link, and then you have to register. Then you have to verify your face immediately. You cannot wait. You can't waste time. You immediately have to click on the link, download the app, and then register and do your face verification. If you download the Poppo Live Streaming app and leave it on your phone before you're ready, it means you're canceling your new user tax bonus. There will be no new user tax bonus for you at all. It means you're starting as an already established host of the Poppo Live Streaming app. So don't download the Poppo Live Streaming app and leave it on your phone. Wait till you're ready and wait till the person who referred you is ready, and then you both do this task simultaneously. The person will give you a link, and then you download the link immediately and register and do your first verification immediately. After you've downloaded the app using the link the person sent to you, use your Google email and register for Poppo Live Streaming app. Just like every other app out there, you can use your Google email to register. When you've registered with your Google email, you set up your name, and then you go to the referral part. You put in the number of the person who referred you, and then you join an agency with the person's code if you already have an agency. But if you don't have an agency code, later when you do your first live stream, many agencies will be coming to you to offer you their agency code. They might even offer you bonuses, offer you many incentives for you to join their agencies. It's like a sweet deal. You wait for them, they'll come, they'll give you their offer, they'll give you tips, they'll give you advice on how to earn on Poppo Live Stream. Then they'll tell you if you already have an agency. If you don't have an agency, they will offer you, give you things, give you many offers, give you many incentives for you to join their agencies. So that's fun too. That's so fun. Don't forget to completely set up your profile, and don't forget to bind your phone number, and don't forget to bind your email on the Poppo Live app when you're setting up your profile. Then you upload pictures. You upload fine pictures, beautiful pictures, cute pictures. It's all part of setting up your profile. So we have come to the tips and warning part of Poppo Live app. Poppo Live app is one of those apps that come with so many tips, warnings, cautions that you can barely keep up with them. So one of the very first thing I learned on Poppo app is don't sleep when you're live streaming. I felt sleepy on every single Poppo live stream, mostly because I wasn't doing anything. I was just keeping silent. It was so boring. This is why I advise you to pick a talent and then just do that during your live stream, because if not, it will be so boring. You can even choose to cook, make food, make dessert while you're live streaming, which comes to the second warning. The second warning is don't let anybody else appear during your live stream. So if you're going to be choosing any talent, make sure you're doing it alone. Make sure nobody appears behind you, or make sure nobody's face shows up when you're live streaming on Poppo Live app. It is you and you alone. They don't want to see anybody else. And Poppo Live Streaming app is being monitored. The admins in charge of Poppo Live Stream keeps monitoring every single live stream. So when you're caught, your account can be banned, suspended, or you can be penalized for breaking their rules. Another thing on Poppo Live Streaming app is Don't let the face of children show. It is against the rules. The next thing you have to be careful of on Poppo live streaming app is being scammed. The number of people that have been scammed on Poppo live stream shocks me, but yes, it happens every day and it will probably keep happening because people don't learn their lesson. So avoid being scammed on Poppo live. Poppo live stream has unofficial sellers of coin. Poppo live stream coin sellers are those you pay outside Poppo live stream and outside Google Play Store subscription method. You pay them and then they transfer coin to you. It is cheap, but you can be scammed. You can pay them and then they'll tell you they didn't see the money, or you can pay them and then never get your coin. So always be careful where you buy your coin from on Poppo live stream. Be careful not to get scammed. Be careful of gift exchange. Be careful of coin buying. You just have to shine your eyes and be very careful when you're in the Poppo live stream app, or you're going to lose all your money without you even earning any single thing, or without you even doing what you came to Poppo to do, which is earning money. Another thing to note about Poppo live streaming app is the fact that the app takes 30% of your gift. When I asked someone why this was, she said, well, if they don't do that, how are they going to be existing? Because the app has been existing since 2022. So they have to take 30% of your earning for them to be able to keep up with paying so many people. So they take 30% of your earning. Another tip and warning about Poppo Live app is for new users. As a new host who came into Poppo Live app, you're going to be given a new user tax on Poppo Live app. If you follow the strict registration method as a new user, you're going to be given 10,000 for you live streaming 2 hours on the Poppo Live streaming app. 5,000 for each hour you live stream. But if you're penalized on the Poppo live streaming app, after 1 day or 2 days, this 5,000 can be taken away and then you'll be degraded back to a normal user. Only 1,000 points live streaming for 1 hour on Poppo live app. And you have to be gifted 200 coin every single day for you to redeem that 1,000 points. And this takes me to another warning about Poppo live app. Poppo live app is very strict when it comes to live streaming. If you have terrible network that affects your live streaming on Poppo live app, you can be penalized. If you minimize your Poppo live streaming to do something else while live streaming, you will be penalized. So Poppo live streaming have so many methods of penalizing you and then reducing your rewards just so they can keep up with their earning. So as a new user, it is almost guaranteed that after 1 day or 2 days of you earning 10,000 for 2 hours live streaming on Poppo app, your new user reward is going to be taken away. They're going to tell you there was poor live streaming results. They're going to tell you there was bad net. They're going to just give excuse and then they're going to take your 10,000 point new user tax away. And then you're going to be left with 1,000 points for streaming 1 hour. And then you have to be gifted 200 coins for you to be able to redeem that 1,000 points for that 1 hour you streamed. So that is another tip and warning I'm giving you as a new user on Poppo live streaming app. Another tip and warning about the Poppo live streaming app is nudity and pornography is not tolerated. Nudity and pornography is absolutely prohibited on Poppo live streaming app. You don't do that. Should I emphasize that? Nudity and pornography is totally prohibited on the Poppo live streaming app. Avoid those by all means or your account will be banned. Another thing on the Poppo live streaming app is avoid saying the name of other live streaming apps on the Poppo live streaming app. Whether you're in the party room or you're live streaming, don't say the name of any competition on the Poppo live streaming app. That is another warning on the Poppo live streaming app. Do not say the name of the competition anywhere around the Poppo live streaming app, the party room, the live stream. You get it. So we are done with the tips and warning. Next, we are moving on to how to cash out on the Poppo live streaming app. How do you cash out on the Poppo live streaming app? The minimum withdrawal cash out on the Poppo live streaming app is 100k points. When you get up to 100,000 points, you are ready to cash out. And 100 points on the Poppo live streaming app is $10. On the Poppo live streaming app, there are multiple methods you can use in cashing out, which is what makes it one of the best live streaming app on the live streaming platform today. You can cash out directly to your local bank. You can cash out to your fintech app, which is your microfinance bank in your country. As a Nigerian living in Nigeria, you can cash out to OPay, you can cash out to PalmPay through the Poppo live streaming app. You can also cash out to your wallets, to your wallet account like ePay wallets. So there are many methods which you can withdraw on the Poppo live streaming app. That is why I love the Poppo live streaming app. It gives multiple options for you to withdraw your money. So that is how you cash out on the Poppo live streaming app. You wait till your money gets a minimum of 100k points, then you cash out directly to your bank or to your fintech app or to your wallet account, no matter what your choice is. So we have come to the end of this video. I didn't want this video to be very long. I hope it will be very short and I hope you stick to the end of this video. If you've heard of the Poppo live stream app and it is difficult for you to earn on the Poppo live stream app, comment down below. Ask me any questions you want to ask me about earning on the live stream app, about joining agencies, about how you can actually refer people on the live streaming app. Comment down below and I'll answer your questions, giving you tips and tricks on how Poppo Live Streaming app work and how you can actually try to earn fast on the Poppo Live Stream app. Poppo Live Stream app is more complicated than other live streaming apps out there. It offers various ways for you to actually earn there, unlike other live streaming apps. So it is more versatile and broad when it comes to earning on the Poppo Live Streaming app. So it is easy for you to figure out and strategize ways for you to earn on the Poppo Live Streaming app than other apps. So comment down below if you have any questions on how you can earn, maximize your earning, earn fast on the Poppo Live Streaming, and I'll answer you. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.